Do you want to use real high quality artificial intelligence graphics in your website for free? Well, this is the tutorial for you. Let's get started. Okay, let's start by going to A1 Website Pro. The link is in the description of this video. In any one of my AI posts, you'll be able to get to these links, which are really cool because I got a bunch of them. There's pretty cool artificial intelligence stuff out there. But this particular one that we're going to be playing around with is this Blue Willow graphics. So if you just click on that, it's going to open up the Blue Willow AI. And what you'll do is click Join the Free Beta. When that loads up, it's going to open up Discord, but it's going to prompt you to install Discord. But first of all, you're going to put in a username. So that's what we're going to do right here. And then we'll click Continue. And you have to verify that you're human to create an account. And here we'll click on all the hockey pictures. Verify we're human. And right now that just creates the account, okay? You still need Discord installed on your desktop. And that's what's happening right here. So we got to enter our birth date. Next, we got to put in an email. We'll just use our maximusbmccullough@gmail.com. Now we'll click Claim Account. And then that sends an email, and you got to verify your email. But now we're going to download the desktop app for Discord. And we're just going to go ahead and install that on our computer. We'll click the little execute file as soon as it's done downloading. And that'll open up, and you'll see that it's downloading the files for Discord onto your desktop. I like it this way because it's a little bit faster than operating online, but you can just use this online. Now, once the desktop app is installed, every time you get onto the Blue Willow, it's going to automatically open up the Discord app on your desktop. And this is how you navigate around on it. Okay, don't forget to send me a friend request on Discord. My username's A1 Website Pro. Then you put the hashtag and then the numbers 7496. You got to make sure that there's no space between the number sign and the last letter in the username. Cannot be any spaces. Send friend request, and then I'll get the request, and I'll accept it. Okay, now what you're going to have to do is go verify your email. Just click Verify Email. When you click Verify Email, you'll select Continue to Discord, but notice it's going to open up Discord, the desktop app that we just installed. And then you just click Open Discord, and now you're here and you're ready to rock. Now that you have everything set up, we're ready to get started. There's a lot of support in here, and it's pretty cool. To get started, we're just going to go through the process, but you can also click on this Getting Started, and it'll give you the rundown, what I'm about to show you right now. So the important thing is we want to look for rookie rooms. See these rookie rooms here on the left? We'll go into rookie room 33. Now this is kind of like a chat room where everybody is showing, their prompts and what they've created using those prompts. And you'll notice underneath of each image, there's the upscale 1, upscale 2, 3, and 4. And the way these images are numbered is this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Or maybe you want different version of that image. So you would hit V1, V2, V3, or V4. And these will generate, if I hit V1 here, it will give me a variety of images based upon this first image. If I hit V2, it'll give me 4 more varieties of images based on this second one. So let me show you how this works. Currently, I'm looking to create a logo for my dog training business at trainingquestion.com. And so what I would type in is /imagine and then dog trainers logo. And we'll just see what happens with that. So I'll hit enter there, and in about less than a minute, it'll pop up here. But what you'll find probably a little bit cumbersome is trying to get to where that image is, because as soon as you enter imagine, then you're seeing everybody else's image. Well, the good thing about this is up here for your inbox, if you click on inbox, when that image is ready, it'll appear right here. And it does take about a minute. So here are the images that it created. And so maybe I like them, maybe I don't. But if I want to go there and jump to that image, I click jump right here and it loads them up right here. Ooh, where'd it go? Okay, so there's a lot of people chatting on here sometimes. So we'll click jump again. Okay, here they are. And so we could see that these are the 4 different logos that they gave me for dog training. Unfortunately, I don't like any of them, but let's say that I like the first or the second one. I could click upscale one, and what that will do is just give me that image in my inbox. If I click upscale 2, it'll just upscale that image and just put that image in there. If I wanted more of a variety of number 4, I could click V4, and that'll generate 4 more images based upon this last image. And let's go ahead and do that with the third image here, where it could give me 4 more of those. And I'll show you how it generates those images, and then you could see the new revised images. So what we want to do is come back up here in our inbox, and we could see here that it gave me a variety of images based upon number 4. And let's see, it upscaled that image for number 2 right there because I clicked upscale, and you see the result here. Here's the upscale for number 1 where it just gave me that image. Now, let's say that I just wanted to use that image. I wanted to download it. Well, all you have to do is simply click on it, and then you'll get this open in browser. You can right click and save the image here, or you can open it in browser to get a bigger image. Notice how that loads up, and it's JPEG, and you can see how big that image is. If I right click, I could click save image as and download it to my desktop just like that. It's a fairly easy program to use. You just got to know how to navigate around it a little bit. And then once you do, it's amazing. And I like the desktop app better because I think that it's faster. You can use it online without the desktop app, but I just think that's a little bit slower. I don't know if that's true or not. But here on the left, you have all your navigation. You have your rookie rooms. If you need support, you can hit support. And here's resources. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you is if you come down to explore public servers, now that you have Discord on your computer, you could come down here and mess around with Midjourney, Genshin, OpenAI, all these different various public rooms you could go into and start utilizing them too. So having Discord on your computer, it opens up some more doors for you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you're able to benefit. If you can, please like, share, and subscribe. My YouTube channel is going down the toilet for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's the new algorithm. But if you like, share, and subscribe, then leave a comment below. And I'd like to hear from you anyway. So if you could leave a comment, let me know how you're using Discord. Let's be friends on the Willow. Then that way you could share your images with me. I'll share mine with you. And we'll discuss prompts, because it's all about the prompts, right? It depends on what we put in there, and we can manipulate them around to try to get what we want. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video tutorial. Peace out.